today's video, I have done this makeup look for Indian glam. So I hope you all like this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Now just we'll get started by the video. First I'm using this Face Shop serum in the range White Seed. So after applying the serum, I'm using a mattifying primer. This primer is from Blue Heaven. This is affordable and budget friendly. This is a silicone based primer so that oily skin type people also apply it. So after applying the primer, I'm color correcting with the help of the orange corrector. The corrector is from LA Girl. I'm just hiding my marks, pigmentation, my dark circles. In this video, the light might fluctuate because I'm shooting in the sunlight. So I'm just blending with the beauty blender. The beauty blender is from Calabar. It's very affordable and you can also buy it. So here is a trick guys for beginners. After applying your primer or concealing it, just apply loose powder all over your face. Then start with the foundation so that your foundation will look more a lighter complexion. So I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible foundation and this PAC HD liquid foundation. The PAC is my perfect shade and this L'Oreal one is a little bit lighter. So I'm mixing both the shades and mixing a combination shade of mine, like a customized shade. So I'm just applying all over my face wherever I need coverage, because this is a full coverage base look. So I'm applying a lot of foundation. Don't worry, while blending in the beauty blender, your foundation will be the half of it. Whatever you have taken in your face, the half of it will be in the beauty blender when you blend it. So I'm blending it with a damp beauty sponge. I'm just pressing it. I'm not moving the foundation, just pressing it in. If your beauty blender dries up quickly, and go and wash it and make it again a damp, because beauty blenders tend to get more dry easily whenever you apply foundation. Next I'm using this Wet n Wild a dark foundation I have got. So I'm just contouring my face with it, and I know this is a very bit dark for me. So yeah, I've got it for my bridal orders. So this is the foundation I'm using to contour my face, in my nose, in my chin area, everywhere, wherever you need a shape to match it like a structured face. If you have very nice contoured shape face, then you no need to contour. I like to give dimension to my face and shadow to my face, so only I'm applying this contour trick. If you like to contour also, make sure you do it in powder also, if you don't like using a cream contour. So then after doing everything, I'm just setting it with the loose powder. The loose powder is a very basic powder. This is a Pond's talcum powder. I'm using it. Whatever you're comfortable with, please do invest in that. Please do not do overdo and buy more stuffs. So after applying the powder, I'm taking this Nykaa palette. I'm using a skin color shade, closed matches to my skin. Then I'm taking a silver shade from it and I'm applying it my half of the cut crease. This is kind of a silver and little champagne mixed shade. So I'm applying on my 1/3 of the area. Then applying a black shade in the outer corner, and blending it with the same brush what I've used it for my crease area. So I'm just placing that and I will be blending. If you don't have any idea how to do your eye makeup, see your dress color. If your dress color is golden, then apply it a gold or shimmer powder on your 1/3 of the area. Then take any kind of brown or black eyeshadow in the in your outer V area, then just blend it. The eyeshadow will look so nice. So if you find this trick helpful, please give a like. So after that I will be using a brown shade to I will be doing my eyebrows. It's a basic eyebrow only. So you all know I am really fond of eyebrows nowadays. I'm filling my eyebrows daily. So after that I'm taking a blush. This is my all-time favorite. As you can see, it's broken and it's going to be over. This is from Maybelline Color Show blush in the shade, I think, Coral Dream. I'll mention the products details in the description. Please go and check it out. And after that, after applying blush, I will be contouring my face. So blush is very necessary. I am applying a lot of blush because blush does not settle too much. If you take a lot of blush on your face, but it just goes away within 1 or 2 hours. So I have contoured my face, then I'm applying a kajal. The kajal is from Maybelline gel eyeliner, so I've applied it. So I will be applying on my other eye also. So when your gel eyeliner gets dried out, please do not throw that. Take your hair serum and put 1 drop of it and just keep it for 24 hours. Then you apply, then your exact how you bought in the first, it will be look same like that. So please hope you try that and let me know in the comments if that was helpful to you all. Then I have applied eyeliner off camera. Then I will be applying a highlighter from the same palette from Nykaa. It's a very natural dewy highlighter. It's not chunky highlighter. I hate chunky highlighter. Mostly in my videos you won't be able to see so much of highlighting popping on my face. Only the natural highlighter will be. So I like natural highlighter, so I have applied the Nykaa one. Then after that I'm filling my lips with the help of a Nykaa lip liner in the shade Chocolate Boy. So this is a nude brown lip liner. So next I will be using this Lakme 9 to 5 liquid mousse lipstick shade I will be mentioning down. So I didn't quite like this lipstick because this is that I didn't expect this lipstick will be like this. So I'm just toning down my lips with the help of this L18 lip color. So yeah you guys, this is the final finished look. I hope you all like it. So this makeup look will look good on any kind of skin type, any skin color, anything. I didn't expect this much good it will come. So in the off camera also it was very looking good. It's not patchy at all, and I have applied false eyelashes. It's not necessary that you have to apply false eyelashes. You can work on with the mascara itself. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, stay blessed and stay safe.